welcome you all here. We are really excited today to have Misty Moore. This is Misty Moore with us today. She is from I Am Lona. She's also with Homeland Security. So she's going to be your instructor for today. And so we got to talking about this a couple months ago. And what if, and could we do this, and let's talk about this, and here we are. So this is it's a member gym, and people come here. We have classes and that type of thing. We also have semi-private training as well.
So I want to tell you first of all what I Am Lona is and how it came to be. A lot of people are like, what does that mean? You know, I Am Lona, what does that mean? Well, Lona means lioness, ready for battle. So I Am Lona means I am a lioness, or I am ready for battle. And so that's what the little lioness head is it stands for I am ready for battle in all sense of the word. And so when we talk about self-defense, we're talking about it not just in a physical aspect, but also a mental and spiritual aspect as well, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes.
Exactly. Are there different levels of this self-defense class?
There are,
Okay.
yes. So this works, that's okay. No, so we do have different levels, and we have just a basic general self-defense class, and then we have one that's a little bit of a higher level that goes more into pressure points and escaping chokeholds and more difficult types of situations. And then we have fitness classes as well that just kind of does all the moves and just, is in a fitness class. This workshop is going to entail just a little bit of all of that. We're going to touch on the pressure points. We're going to touch on escaping chokeholds, but we're going to do a lot of the basic self-defense techniques like knees and elbows and just practice them. So let's go on to Lona class. Let's take a couple minutes, grab a water if you want, snack, get all comfortable, and we'll go back into the gym and get started. But it doesn't take a whole lot of strength to overcome his wrists. That would be part right here. Not necessarily the wrist, but the forearm right here.